Hello, I'm Christian with WhoFi. Today, we'll walk through the process of integrating your community calendar with Wowbrary newsletters. You can ensure that your programs and new materials are featured in a weekly newsletter for your patrons, providing another way to keep them informed and engaged. Before we begin, please be sure that you have contacted us at support@whofi.com before starting this process so we can activate the feature for you. If you're ready to go, great, let's dive in. We'll start by getting the integration URL from your WhoFi account by first logging in. In the left-hand menu, go to Setup and select Advanced. Under Community Calendar, choose Integration. Copy the full calendar URL. This is what we'll use to integrate with Wowbrary, and we will need to remove this calendar/full from the end when we paste that code. Now, let's walk through how to add your WhoFi Community Calendar to your Wowbrary newsletter, starting with logging in. Once logged in, you'll see the overview. From here, click on the Add News and Reviews tab at the top. Next, we'll select Quick News Items. This is where you'll manage the content that appears in your weekly newsletter. Use the checkbox filters to display only events. Now, enable the Upcoming Events Quick News item by checking the box next to it. Paste your WhoFi URL and fill in the number of events you would like to appear in each newsletter. Once you've entered that information, click Save and Edit. After reviewing, click Save and Preview to see how your news items will appear in your newsletter. And there you have it. New programs now appear in your library newsletter, ensuring that patrons are aware of all the exciting upcoming programs and new materials your library has to offer. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about integrating your existing community calendar with Wowbrary, please feel free to reach out at support@whofi.com. We look forward to learning about your library and hope you have a great day.